guys, how's it going? It's MADSTAR Investing back again with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to make simple passive income when the implied volatility is in its medium percentile. It's a very simple method, and let's get into it because I promise you that you will love this. So I'm here on my SPY, the S&P 500 ETF, and here I have loaded up my relative strength index. And currently that is not overbought or oversold, and our implied volatility is medium in the past 1 year. So it's not too low, it's not that high as well. Maybe a bit more low, it's a bit higher. But since it's not too low and not really high, you do not want to be really having credit spreads kind of. You want to have something where the stock price bounces between two different boundaries. So what I want to do is right now with the trade war situation, I think that it's going to trade a bit sideways. We can already see this pattern emerging, a sideways pattern. The economy is kind of stopped right now because there's a lot of fear in the market. But right now, a lot of people are bullish, but also bearish. So I think this will continue for at least a few more weeks. Maybe we can go one direction as well. But so what I want to do is I want to go to trade. And in trade, I want to go to 2 weeks time, which is 14 days. I haven't got that much time. It's just 15 minutes left in the market. So I have to get this done really quickly. So what you want to do is the implied volatility is right now 19%, and people in the market think that the ETF will actually move $9 either way. So if the stock price is currently trading at 292, it's very well to stay between the 300 zone and let's say 285 zone. I'm a bit more bullish in this one. I think the market will recover from its downfall. So I haven't chosen that deep down, but if I can choose more deep down, I will have a better percentage of a win, but also not as great of a reward. So to set up this trade, I'll be needing $55, and I'll have to, my max profit is $45, and I want the ETF's price in the next 2 weeks to stay like that, or between 288 and 300. So the reason why this is happening is because let's say I have a 300 call. So for this 300 call, I'm paying $68, but then, I'm selling the 300 call, my worries. So I'm receiving $68, and then on the other side, for the 301 call, I'm buying it, so I'm paying $49, but I'm actually receiving more. So in this case, that would be a $19 gain here on this end, and this one a bit less because the probability is not that great. So we have the 288 put. We buy, we pay $255, and we have the 289, and we receive $281. So it's around $26 here on this side. So 26 plus what we had here will equal a 45 credit. Or actually, you'll have to do this with the bidding price, not the ask price. So that's about it. I can maybe show you an analysis of it. So where do we have? We have that 14 days. We have 13 more minutes in the stock market, guys. And because it closes at 4, today's September the 2nd. So let's quickly buy an iron condor. All you have to do is you have to go and do analyze, and you have to do analyze sell trade, because sell is basically getting credit. And here you want to find iron condor, and over here this is the call side. So on the call side, you want to have something. We decided 290 or 300 almost, right? So 301. Sorry. So 301. Um, yeah, and here you can see the credit is much lower than I was showing before. It's $34, but the percentage, the win percentage is much more. If I want to increase it, and I think I'm a bit more bullish, I can increase this value here. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to make this 287, or actually 289, just like before. Here I go, 289, and I'll make this 287. So 288. So the reason why I have these so close together is that I need less money to set up the trade, and obviously that makes it a less risky trade. But if these spreads are a bit far apart, then it's more risky, but also you can get more. Because let's say if I have, instead of 288, I make it to 285, I'll be making $108 on this trade, but also losing much more. So here it's good to keep things concise. I can go show you the risk profile for this trade. It kind of looks like this right now. It's not really a balanced one, but that's pretty cool. So what this purple line is showing is as of today. So if the stock price is 280, what was it, 292? We're not going to be gaining much, but let's say, well, this is not, hold on a second. Sorry guys, that was just showing something else. I was also kind of confused. Okay, so bear with me for that. Now it's nice and even. So right now the stock price is trading at 291 or 292, and as of today we're just going to be break even 0-0. And if the stock goes, let's say maybe to 294, rises up in a few days, let's say there, we're going to be earning $4. And if it just stays sideways between this range, in about 2 weeks, we've got $40, guys. And let the probabilities work out. So if the stock price goes to 210, you're going to lose $55, no more than that. So I wouldn't sell it at that point, and there's nothing to be scared of, because let the probabilities work themselves out. And let's say anything can happen within those times. The market can drop down. Don't be upset if you're losing $20 on the first day. It really doesn't matter, because in the end it's all up to the probability. And more of these high probability trades you make, the better it is, because this trade has a high probability. And if you think about it, it has a very big chance that it might work out, obviously. So I hope you guys enjoyed my method. Let's just confirm and send. So this is the natural value. This is the mid value. So this is the ask price. If I do the $36, it will execute a bit faster. Let me just do $36. So the max loss is a bit more, but this is just to show you guys, because this is going to get done really quickly. So that order has gone through. Options trades normally take a lot of time to get executed, especially this late with 8 minutes in the market left. It's very hard because not many people are looking at options at this time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The trade will get executed, and I'll cover you up around the following 2 weeks about what the trade happened. So that's about it, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions about the strategy or whatever you want to learn, please let me know down below in the comment section. This is MADSTAR Investing, and I'll see you guys next time.